The Pippa and Theo Show, done.
Hello guys, I'm Pippa.
And I'm Theo.
And this is the Pippa and Theo Show. Today we're going to make sidewalk chalk paint. We will need water, cornstarch, food coloring, measuring cup, something to mix with, and bowls to mix with.
And after you mix with the bowls, you have to put it in the cups so you could make colors.
Well, let's get started. We got our bowls and we got our whisk. Today we are using a recipe that has 1 part cornstarch to 1 part water.
In our bowls today, we're going to use 2 cups of water and 2 cups of cornstarch.
So let's get started.
Hey guys, we're going to put in our first cup of cornstarch.
Now it's time for our second cup. This part's messy. Okay, all done. Now it's time for water.
Now we're going to put in a cup of water.
It's so cool. Yeah. Now it's time to mix. Once you get all the clumps out, it's time to put them in our cups.
You could do any color you want.
We don't know if the gels will work, but it's part of our experiment. We are also using the measuring cups, but you can use any kind. Let's start. It's really heavy. I'm going to use red for my first one.
I'm going to use blue for my first one.
So,
Doesn't it
Right
look
now-
so cool?
right now, my red looks pink, so I'm going to add more.
So cool. How to make.
You can also use anything you want to mix with it. Right now we are using these foam brushes.
For my next color, I'll use another blue. Okay, we filled all of them up.
So we went ahead and filled them up. So now we are going to add more of all of the colors. Right now my red is looking a little pink, so I'm going to add more.
Right now, my blues are looking just the same. They look just the same.
So we are going to be using these brushes to paint but we aren't going to show you the painting until part 2. How is yours going, Theo?
Mine is going good.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue, and my next favorite color is green, and then yellow, and then pink, and then orange. Everything is my color. Is my favorite color.
My favorite color is pink. in the comments, why don't you tell us what your favorite color is? Next, I'm going to add pink.
I'm still mixing my green up. It looks the same. It looks pretty good. Just like minty a little. Like leaves and mint. I'll use a little more blue just to make it darker.
This is what my pink looks like. I think it's a very nice pink.
So this is what my two blues look like.
Next, I'm going to add purple.
And these are my two yellows and greens. Yellow and green.
This is what my purple looks like. It's like a lavender. Now I'm going to add my green. I have a kind of lime green, as you can see.
You could mix colors up. Just a little.
If it's not the color you want, you can always mix them.
I'm mixing a color with one of my blue. It'll make green.
I mixed pink with my purple, and now I think it looks better.
I'm mixing it up. I'm adding a little more. Now it's looking a little tealish. It is looking very much like darker green and darker blue mixed together.
Oh, now we're going to do part 2. We're going to do part 2 later. Tell us in the comments what our favorite color is.
What your favorite color is. Bye.
Hey guys.
Shake out your jitters.
Okay. Yeah.
Shake them out.
Okay.